Hi, thank you for following Expanse Tension Theory. An update, but it's an important one. Yesterday, the most profound and significant step in the theory's development so far. I switched to pattern recognition to detect if expanse tension theory is correct, then we'll see a pattern emerge that is consistent across all cosmic phenomena where they are in a density dependent universe. Okay, so started this piece of work and the pattern emerged. Now I've searched, there is nothing in current literature or theory that predicts this pattern. So this is new, it's new science, it's a new theory. What this study does, and there's a paper and I'll link to it in the video, it asks if the universe is truly density dependent, as described by expanse tension theory, then all cosmic phenomena should have should express a pattern of behavior. Okay, so I go looking for that behavior, and it seems it's true. So within 4 classes and states of universal cosmic density, all cosmic phenomena fit within those 4 categories, and they all express and display a set kind of behavior within that category that's unique to that category. So I'll explain. Category 1 is objects and phenomena which exist within a transition of high to low density space, like the transition from the central core of a galaxy to the outer low dense regions of a galaxy. That's where we see things which we call dark matter. Whole list of things, all in regions of space transitioning from high to low density, all showing expanse tension theory behavior of an additional kick to their acceleration, explaining things like late stage expansion and galaxy rotation and star formation cutoff. You then have a category 2, stable low density space. Now here we see photons of light passing across the cosmos through stable regions of low density space, where we see accelerated gravitational lensing through the void. Again, this is where we see things like problems called the great attractor, where we see an attraction due to gravity, expanse tension theory, which seems to be creating a greater pull into the void. So again, a whole list of phenomena where they are transiting or existing within a stable low density regime, all expressing a greater acceleration due to an unknown dark force or expanse tension theory. Category 3, quite unusual. Most things in the universe are going from high density to low density because since the Big Bang, expansion's driving low density dominance. However, there are cases in the universe where we go from low density to high density, which is like the buildup of star formation and with black holes and neutron star formation, for example. Now, this transition from an expanse tension theory coupling regime based on low density, as high density is achieved, there's a coupling modulation. Now, consistently with set 3, they experience non-relativistic effects, non-Einstein, non-general relativity. These things express and show quite unusual events because they're going through a coupling modulation, if expanse tension theory is right. And category 4 is where we live. High density environments, stable environments. We see Newton's laws of motion upheld, general relativity dominates, again, as expanse tension theory aligns with the curvature of space-time as a geometry put forward by Einstein. So there is a new underlying pattern that has emerged, and the thing I like about this paper, this work more than anything else, you can reproduce it. This is reproducible. This is repeatable science. Anybody can sit in their office and create this paper the same as me. You look at cosmic phenomena, you look at the density environment in which they sit, and you bin them into these 4 categories, and you will see a clear pattern emerge. The environment that they exist in creates the unusual behavior that they experience and that we observe. It's the strongest evidence yet. Okay. Thank you very much for following, and hopefully another update soon. Bye-bye.